friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today my video is about the Samsung 15 kg automatic washing machine, error code UE and DE. So today we will discuss this, what is UE and DE error code in Samsung washing machine. This error code I face in my machine, and I fix this by myself, and it's easy for you also to fix it by yourself, not to take it to the repairing shop or maintenance shop, you can say. So it's easy to fix it by yourself at your home. So today I will teach you about this, how to fix the UE and DE error code. First of all, you must know about this, what is UE error code and what is DE error code. The UE error code came for the balancing of the machine. You see this inside of the machine, the drum is jerking, not jerking inside, so this balance is out. Sometimes this came due to the balance. And the DE error code is a door error. It's say the door is open, but in this machine the door is closed. There is a problem with the vibration of the drum inside, but the door is open, door is already closed, but again the error DE is also coming. So now I will show you how to fix this one, how to fix this problem. Okay, let's start how to fix this problem. So I will show you how to fix this problem by yourself. First of all, what you need to do is you have to remove this cover, back cover of your washing machine. All the control is here. So this is the one screw you can open, and then another screw you can open, and there are two clips. You just pull it upside, then it will be removed. So what you need to do here, this is the another video, this is the door switch and drum balance switch. The downside shaft, you can see, this is called this is controlling the drum control, and the upper side is for the door switch. So just you need to clean this one. First you clean this part of the switch. If it works, then it's well and good for you. Otherwise you change this door switch and drum balance switch. The error will be fixed. So this is the way how to fix this problem. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.